without breaking anything else. Where does it begin? We're going to have a level score. Level score is going to be 0. And the level score will be displayed. Let me work backwards. Here. The score script is going to display exactly that, but it's going to be the current scene. It will be the current scene, so how to get the parent node with an instance scene. Yeah. Get parent. And oh yeah, so the score will be get parent dot level score. Score. So the score displayed will be the level score from whatever world we've loaded into, is the idea. Okay. Now, the world that we've loaded into has a script with level score is 0. Save file. If there's no save file, create one. If there is a save file, the level score, oh, this is the high score. Save game function for the world. Highest score equals Cydio1 dot high score. Cydio1 high score. Your score is level score. Okay. I feel like I'm breaking some things here because I'm not checking. Let me undo. I want to duplicate and comment out. Yeah. Same with this score. Oh yeah, I did that. Cool. Global high score. This will just be the high score then, won't it? Comment that out. Oh, what did I just say? Let me duplicate this. This will just be high score. Let's make this everything local to the level. Okay, City 01 high score. Global.highscore will be no, City 01.highscore. City 01 high score, and then level score. Your score will be level score. Mm-hmm.
You said grapes or sugar?
Okay. So I think I've not broken anything. So these will be the score things. Now comes the challenge of adding to the score, because I need to reference the get parent level score. Let's have a go. Get parent dot level score plus it 100. Okay. And making sure that the camera score is getting the level score. This seems like it won't work, but the logic seems like it will be all right. Oh, that's actually not working because of something. On Death Zone. What? It's a new area. Okay. Get parent level score. Okay, what about this? Self.text equals, I'm going to do a underscore and lowercase so I know which one is displaying, plus the string of get parent dot level score. Let's try that. Okay, let's ignore that then. You can hear the music. It's crashed. Why won't it get the parent? So if I look at the node structure of city ball, get parent is camera. There's another parent and another parent. So I need its great grandparent. Get tree, current scene. Whoa. Get tree, current scene. Tree current scene self.text score plus string man. This would be weird if it works. Very strange. Weird, okay. Let's play it through. Let's see if it saves the game to a high score. Happy that worked though. I made this song in GarageBand. I'll just roll right through that switch zone. Should always test it. So the save is not writing to the highest score. The high score on the front screen is just like cumulative. I think it'll just keep adding. Oh yeah, I didn't get. None of these things are adding to the level score. Okay, so it had been adding these up in the background. It's added 11,000 since the last time, just because I don't have all of the scores adding to the level score. So let's have a look. We've got level score. We're not going to use score anymore. We're going to only use level score. And we've got City 1 high score. Okay. The save file. Save game. Store the high score. Okay. Maybe we're not ready for that. Maybe we're just going to I don't need to print global score here. Okay, and then remove child. To avoid the double up. No, I'm getting distracted. I'm not going to do that. To avoid the double up, I was going to come back and like one of the first things to do is to remove the collision sphere itself so it doesn't double up. If you move through this slowly while all of this is running, you can actually get double points out of everything. I don't care about that right now. So I just want to copy this. For the tweener. Global score isn't it. Level score is it. And the better ball ring with the swish. Global score isn't it. Level score is it. Now the finish labels. Let's have a look at that. Score. Global score isn't it. Level score is it. Self.text equals score, your score, plus string of get parent level score. And the high score is the get parent level high score. That's what I'll call it. Is the self.text equals test score. Plus string of get parent level high score. Level high score. What's that going to display? If we have a look at the level, City 1 high score, no, level high score. City 1 high score, level high score, otherwise level high score. This should be a global function. Should be for the whole game. Yeah. Oh, okay. It sets the text. Well, it shouldn't need to. This shouldn't need to either. Try it. The script for the finishing of the level shouldn't need to set the high score. Yeah. That's fair. Tight squeeze. I thought I had that sorted first. Stop that music, otherwise I'm going to get really sick of it. It's not get parent, really, is it? It's get tree, get current scene level score. On these finish labels. Play it. Play the scene. I don't know why that broke. Need to try that again. Don't like how it looked. What's this now? High score label. Give it another shot. What? Level score. Get tree current scene. Score. Weird. Okay, well, maybe I do set the these in. Level high score will always be 0 at the moment. I can set those, and I can remove the script from these labels, the finish labels. Pretty sure I can remove all script from here. Who's calling this script? Don't need those, do I? If I'm actually setting that label content at the end. Come on. All right. Needs to have something in the script, does it? Just when I think I'm getting it worked out. Always the way. Okay. Let's check the end and make sure that it adds to the score. First thing to do is stop the music. I can't do the music at the moment. Alrighty. Now, I need to really make this the parent. So whatever is displaying here, this is the path I need to update the score. Not this one. Plus equals 100. Not the parent, because the parent could be anything, but needs to be the current scene. Tweener. Same deal. But 1,000. The better ball ring. Same deal, but 5,000. Let's try. No music, that's good, bit easier to work with. Score's displaying correctly. Good. This is a much better way to do the score. It's more portable. I like how that throw to the ring is a bit more dynamic than it was before. It depends on the entry angle that you have. Okay. I don't know if I... Try and jump over this guy's head. I just want a small score now. And then I feel like I can work out the logic to overwrite a score with a higher one in the actual global script that's going to be part of everything. So I only want 100 on this round. I think there might be a secret squeeze in here. Yeah. Okay, there's the end. Okay, 200. Good. Okay, so I know that that is working. The score for the level is working. Let's have a look at the save game function. This will be to every level. Okay, so to save. Oh, this is on ready. This is when we start the game. High score is 10? No, it's 0. When we save the game, let's open a file called ballgame3.data and write to it. Save file is going to be let me think about how I can do a portable way to do the levels. The high score for just that level. What about highest score? Highest score. The highest score of everything, of all the levels, and then I'll make each level have the same opportunity for scoring. Yes. Save game. So let me copy this save game function and not going to make it global for now. I'm going to make it, actually I'll just not refer to it yet. Yes, save game. I'm going to call this save level. Ballgame3 dot data level score. If level score is greater than level high score, the level high score, then the level high score becomes the new level score. If the level score is greater than the level high score, then the new high score will equal this level score. Level score. Save. So on the victory zone, save the game. Self.level high score. No, just level high score. Level high score, level score. Okay. What about on the start screen now? The main menu. Score. And what about copy that? City score will be, so I want to make sure I can read from this. It'll be the get level high score. Oh man, this is so strange. The global score is going to be, yeah, completely unrelated. So let's set a global score. Global.highest score will be part of the main menu. Yeah, global.highest score. Let's play the whole game. Let's set a low score first. Oh, hey, I've got someone in the chat. So dies a lot 7. Yo. Thanks for watching. You'll have to bear with me as I'm learning myself. So today I've been overhauling the score system of this game. And I've been trying to set that label down the bottom to read the highest score that I get, which is not working at the moment. So I'm going to work backwards and find out where that should be displaying and why it's not updating. And I think it's coming from being back at when it's trying to write to the file, it's not really working. All right. Okay. Not sure why that wasn't changing over, but here we go. All right. Okay, so let's work backwards from it. The finish label, when the high score is displayed, I'm actually setting it in here. Level high score. And the level high score is here. Level high score is the save file where I get 32. Getting 32-bit data from the level high score. When I save the game, I'm storing the level high score. Okay. I feel like I can't think through this logic at the moment. I'm setting the level high score from what I thought was the file. It's where I store the level score, and then if the level score is greater than the level high score, which was set earlier as 0 on the creation of the file, then the new level high score is equal to the new level score. So now, I'm not really sure why I'm following this loop and I can't seem to catch up. Let's see. So I'm creating the file. If there's no save file, create it. But if there is, level high score. Oh, it's setting it to 0 every time. If there's no save file, create it. I wonder if I just comment this out and try. I don't think this will work. Someone in the chat. Obviously, I need to set up some sounds for when someone joins. but I've only got about 10 minutes or so left of this stream, and then call it a day. Highest score 0. Let's go back to the main menu. Yep. Okay. Working backwards again from those end labels. Here's where I set it. I set it all here, all locally. This is so weird. I think I clearly don't understand the file access function, so I'll have to go away and do a bit more research on that. Hopefully come back to it next time with like a fresh understanding of how to write the high score. I might even work on it off stream because that sort of lets me take little 10-minute chunks out of it. But before I go, I would like to remove the ability to earn double points by going super slow. I will demonstrate that for the sake of the video. If I go really slow through this first tight squeeze. Oh, didn't make a good example there. Maybe tight squeeze doesn't need cleaning up. But I wonder if this one is a good demonstration. I managed to hit it 3 times there. So the tweener needs to have its function removed as soon as it assigns the score, or as soon as you enter. So I want to remove child. Collision object, collision shape 3D. Should be a node. So let's see. Oh, can't see the screen. Thank you for that. Something's wrong with my automatic switching. Thank you. Okay, where was I? I need to remove the child of this particular collision sphere. Copy that node's path and I'll put it in quotes because there's a space. So now if I activate the tweener and hi there, Coyote Carls. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in once again. I'm going to hopefully not be able to hit multiples of that between the legs score there. A few minutes ago, it was not being removed fast enough, so I've put this remove child function in, and I was pretty happy with that result. I'm going to test it one more time. Okay, so if I bump into this guy's chest, it used to give you an opportunity to earn more, but that is working perfectly, just as designed. So I'll finish playing through the level, and then I might call it there for the day, after making the changes, the same one to the swish zone, like that. Should lock into the path again. Good stuff. And what else do I need to change? I need to go away and keep working on the score, but I'm happy that this is now displaying and that the systems in place for earning those points are a bit more robust than they were before. It was really hacked together before using a single global variable. Now we can establish a score in each level. And it's more portable. Each thing can be added to the next level. My automatic scene switcher is not working well, but thank you for pointing that out, Coyote. Cool. Let me make sure I copy this remove child function over to all of the things that need it. And this one is the collision sphere. I think just that one. I'll need to test that. The tight squeeze, just for cleanliness, I'm going to add in the same function there, even though I wasn't having the problem with the tight squeeze. Working just as expected. I just want to make sure that swish doesn't break anything before I save and close for the day. Well, didn't quite make it through there. I might need to adjust the positioning. That wouldn't have been paid in a game unless it was goaltended. The original idea I had for this game was a character who was bouncing this ball along and doing tricks like between the legs and behind the back stuff. And you'd have to dribble it around obstacles and things like that, but decided to go with the ball in the end for simplicity, being my first game and everything. Anyway, thanks for the people who watched. I'm going to wrap it up there and hope to see you next time. And this, of course, will be up on YouTube as usual. Bye.